What's up, explorers? So you know who I am. If you don't know who I am and you have just clicked the video, then just pre-warn you, this is Throwback Thursday. It's an old video that I once filmed. Maybe didn't make a video of it, or I did make a video, and I just post them up now and again. Maybe once a month I'm going to do a Throwback Thursday. And normally on a Friday or a Tuesday I post the newer footage, the newer videos. Just a little bit, people ask me all the time as well, if you're not new or you are new, then obviously the merch, as you see, the hoodies here, there, and obviously we've got the AWE joggers. They'll all be coming soon. We're just having trouble with the suppliers at the moment due to COVID-19, and obviously every one of us are stuck indoors at the moment. But do as you're told. The quicker we do as I'm told, and we'll be over this, we can get back out and start enjoying the summer, and I can get out and enjoy the exploring. Anyway, a little bit of history on this place. Built in the 1800s, late 1800s, owned by a doctor, Annie, and her husband Henry. Henry passed away when he was 83 years of age. Anne sort of went completely bizarre, went crazy. Apparently she was just circling the mansion, walking outside. The neighbours kept saying, "Are you okay?" And she just got aggressive with them. "Leave me alone." And she just shut the front door one day and up and left. Completely disappeared, left the family home. Even left, locals say, the cat that we found in there, curled up still in the drawer as a skeleton, was the husband's cat. And she just locked it in the mansion. I mean, it's pretty cruel, really, but I mean, none of us are going to know how we feel after losing someone after 50, 60 years of marriage, so it's tough. We don't know. But yeah, the house was literally one of the first mansions that I ever did, and it's still today makes me think, wow. So she up and left this mansion in 1988. It's been abandoned for near on 33 years now, so it's absolutely crazy. And some of the rooms are falling down. There's holes in the floor, but the electric still works. I'm still so amazed. Anyway, just want to do a couple of shouts. Thank you so much to everyone who supports the channel. It means the absolute world to me. It really does. There's a Patreon in the description, and there's also a PayPal link which will be on the screen now. Any of those, I can't offer the tiers at the Patreon at the minute, but I will update on Patreon when I can up. It's just obviously suppliers and things I've offered. I can't do it at the moment because we can't leave the house. But yeah, as I said, love and respect to all of you. Without you, I wouldn't have had the AWE channel. So a massive thank you to all of you viewers, and a lot of love. And people who have lost people through this virus, I just want to say my heart's with you and your family. So anyway, we need to stay safe, stay indoors. Let's get over this and enjoy the summer. Love you all. See you soon. I'm in a abandoned mansion playing Super Nintendo. Playing this, the first ever Mario game. Look at that.
or Abandoned World Explorer, also known as Dora Dora. This location's been done before, but I feel like I want to show you parts of the house that I feel that haven't been shown. So guys, we just worked our way down into the basement. Look how old these bikes are, guys. Look! Raleigh Elswick. Old-fashioned brakes on it. And there's a female version there, I believe. The little ringy bells. And she still works. This here, I don't actually know the name of these, but a horse would have been on one end, so it's basically like a horse tow bar. You see it next to you there.
Yes.
The old-fashioned cases, guys.
Oh, that's it.
A little chair. There's always a creepy chair.
Travellers.
Oh, look, everyone's trashing it down here.
There's more of the bikes.
Stuff everywhere. This wasn't like this. Just don't give someone else the right to come in and trash a place, guys. Nope, there's no bodies in the freezer. Look at the bathtub, guys. So yeah, here again, 1, 2, 3, 4 bikes. Absolutely lovely. So this is one of my favourite explorers, guys. That's why I sort of returned again down here. I actually love this place. Oh, we've got a little Christmas tree there. So yeah, this is obviously the basement of the house. All these chairs, I don't remember it's been like this. Yeah, but it wasn't like this, the door was standing up. It's like everyone's been here and trashed it. This upsets me. It's like a tunnel in a house. Old-fashioned system there, toilet system. Another old bike. This is called a pooch bike. I've never actually seen a pooch. So guys, it's been mentioned before, I'm not going to repeat other people's stuff, but this person was like a serious hoarder. Just look at them doors in this staircase, guys. Yeah. A brand new cricket back there. Silver. Look at the stuff, just trashed everywhere now. Even the creepy photo that used to be there's gone. So this here has been ripped out, all the copper piping has been ripped out. I'll be shocked. From previous videos, stuff's been moved around in here a lot. It's an absolute joke. I want to show you something really cool nearer to the end. So stay tuned, guys, because this is really cool. Just look at the stuff in here. It's absolutely mental.
The floor is so good.
Yeah, the floor is bad along here.
I've already gone through one floor today. I don't have to go through another.
Remember these? The old times. Pan for the old electric meter.
I don't even feel that looks safe now.
Guys, this place is absolutely rotten. Look at the trees growing through and the water just coming in. So guys, as we're working around on this Explorer, how cool is that for a house that's in this much decay, guys, has electricity? Who's paying the bill? So as Dora there's exploring, showing you that we have, who needs torches? We have electricity, guys. This is the kitchen, guys. As you see, we've got the lights on now. Just a decay, look at it, guys. We've also got a really cool thing in a minute that we're going to chill out in the sitting area. And we're going to play a little game. I want to show you the game. It's really cool. look at the stuff, guys. It's absolutely mental.
It's almost got a garden gate on, isn't it?
Yeah, switch the light off.
Huh?
Switch the light off. There's just so much stuff in this place, guys. So much stuff. And also, we just got lights everywhere. What we're doing tonight, guys, we're going to stay here for the night, so we're going to get ourselves comfortable downstairs. We're going to play a game. We'll show you the game, so stay tuned to see what game we're going to play. And most of you will know the game that we're going to play. Look at this, guys.
Oh, that was the one.
Look at this.
It still works.
That's quite creepy. You think, guys, not only we got lights, we got music. Party time. This place is absolutely insane. It is mental. I love it. So now we're going to shut this off. That is so cool. So cool. Guys, I absolutely love this place. Like
See that if I get
the
cold.
dressing gown's still hanging there, guys.
Get the dressing gown.
So we've got electricity, we've got music, and
Down.
we've got a game. It's like a manual fire alarm. That is so cool. That is actually really cool. That is absolutely cool. Love it. That looks like an old school desk. Is that an old school desk?
Don't know.
It's got a lift up front. No. That's so crazy. Look at the flooring though. Just the whole unit's fallen to the side. I can't get over this, guys. Electricity. This is absolutely insane, guys. Just electricity. Oh, mate. It's mental. Like, just sit here, look. I want my bedroom lamp on. Put my bedroom lights on. This is just so cool. Absolutely cool. How many explorers do you have on a house that's in this much decay? Can you not only just put the electricity on? Some old pictures, guys. Oh, it's insane. Turn it off or we left it, guys. Absolutely mental. Just to give you another insight of another room, guys. Here we have electricity. It's mental. I mean, look at the ceiling. How the hell is that lights and stuff still working, guys? Oh, it's just crazy. Do you imagine sitting in here with your lights on, playing your piano? Oh, it's crazy. Look at the old bowling pins. Oh, it's mental. This is a Nintendo NES. This is a Zap gun. Now I'm in an abandoned mansion, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is just put a light on 2 secs and show you this. 2 secs. Stay there. Right. Oh shit. Excuse my language. So guys, Banner Mansion, light on. This is pretty cool. So now for who you don't know, obviously this is a Nintendo. I'm in a Banner Mansion playing Super Nintendo, playing NES, the first ever Mario game. Look at that. The only thing that don't work, guys, is the sound, but you can't really moan, can you? And another game. You do a bit of Duck Hunt, Zapper, NES. So come on. How many explorers can you actually stay in for the night and shoot ducks? So I'm playing a bit of Duck Hunt. So, as you know, Banner Mansion, been abandoned for 25 years or so, and I'm sitting there playing Nintendo on the abandoned mansion. Anyway guys, you don't want to sit here watch me play the NES, so I'm going to get on with the Explore. Turn the telly off, let's get on with it, let's go! So how cool was that guys? Nintendo, NES, Duck Hunt in abandoned mansion. Anyway, let's explore the rest of the house and stop having some fun. Hope you guys enjoying it so far, because I am. I'm having a well of a time here. I'm actually loving it. So we've got music, electric, Nintendo, Duck Hunt, Mario, everything. Piano, the lot. So yeah, I might try and run a bath now. Look at the grime in this place. And the mould on the door. Anyway, let's head round. See what more this place has got to offer. Look at the mould on the mirror. That there, guys. Oh, maybe it was a mirror. It's not anymore. Look at the Bible. Anyway, stairways, guys. That's what I'm saying, guys. We're walking slow because look at the floor. There's just stuff everywhere. Now we heard this person is obviously a hoarder. We do know that obviously little bits about the family. It was obviously a family business. Look at this. So if you fall down here guys, you're going to land straight on that piano. I mean that's a good sort of 12 foot there I reckon. Sorry? So I'm going to head along here, which is probably really stupid. Look at this. I wonder what that was. It's the only thing with exploring guys, it is super dangerous, and I do stress it in every video, please find another hobby, collect stamps, do something else. Look at it though. And that up there guys is black mould. Just look at the tables though. Now I know a lot of you have seen this place. I just want to show you how much it's changed from the first ever video that got aired. Look at it. What an Explorer. This is still my favourite Explorer. Absolutely love it. As I said, the person we think obviously loved cats. Definitely a hoarder. So this room is seriously in bad shape. Parts of the ceiling are falling down onto the table. Wow. Another piano. Look at the ceiling. Absolutely rotten. Right guys, I'm going to use both hands to get back across there, so look at it. The piano, this piano is soon going to fall. So anyway, we're across the hole of death. A beautiful bed still sitting here guys. This little friend, bless him, sitting in his tank. Look at him.
That was the husband.
So he must have been into skis. So a little bit of story of this house that we did here, and we did find out is obviously Anne, if she don't mind me saying, or the name, obviously she watches the video, but according to what we've heard, she lost her husband, which is this guy here. You can see him.
We're hoping.
Sorry?
We're hoping.
Yeah, we're hoping. Yeah, obviously, if not, then maybe a family member or a long lost love. But anyway, since we heard that he passed away, she struggled with it apparently, and she just basically up and left. And this poor little place has been abandoned ever since. Yeah, and also there was family businesses and stuff, and they got themselves in a lot of debt. So, just it's such a shame though to see like people's memories and stuff, and like you basically live all your life for what? Just to sit here and decay away. It is though, isn't it? Should we do some gardening as well? Guys, look at that Holy Bible. Look at that. Oops. Look at that, guys. Look, it's got the metal lock on the side.
I might do some good reading that.
Oh, Jesus. Sorry, just saying his name. Look at that, it would lock up. How cool is
Last
that?
time they're saying closed. Like, this is
Yeah.
definitely closed.
So,
All good.
yeah, they've got this right. This place is closed. Such a shame. Definitely in the sports. So we've got golf clubs. We've got an Indiana Jones hat. So maybe I should start wearing that on the Explorers.
That's still packaged. Here it
Yeah,
is.
still packaged. Such a shame, isn't it? All this stuff just left. Another bathroom. Got some toilet roll there. If you want to use the loo. What's the pictures doing in here? Oh, nice.
What? Oh, no, what have I done?
Now it's people who've had a gone to the toilet.
Oh.
Oh, look at that. How creepy is that? I don't know if it is creepy though. It looks quite a nice little picture. Doesn't it?
Yeah, that's not creepy for me. That's
No,
not like
that's not creepy. That's not like the last Explorer, the dollhouse. The dollhouse. It's called the toy house, but we're going to call it the dollhouse. So this is called Mario's mansion. Luigi's mansion, should I say. So as we walk around and explore Luigi's mansion. So guys, it looks like we're in a converted loft area. So maybe this is maybe him when he was younger. This place is mental. Just the stuff there. It's a really weird room over there, guys. Really weird. Again, we're just filled with stuff. Our little children who have completed their schooling. Now I was reading that. It says children who have completed their schooling. Remember, we are standing on the dodgy floor from that other room. I've walked to it, it's fine. What the hell is that? Serve with honour. It's just the photos, guys. Look at this. This is people's memories. Such a shame, guys, that these are all going to be buried with this house when it finally gives away. A little Krupus hairdryer, TV. Another beautiful suitcase. So if we move little doggy a minute, just want to have a look at this photo, guys. Let's move these. Absolutely, look at that. So maybe that was a grandmother or something, or the mother of maybe the woman who owned the house. July 1917.
Best month.
Just the old Hoover, guys. So what was this jacket used? Was it a naval jacket as such? Just look at the ceiling, guys, above us. Just so rotten. Oh, look.
Like the old
Little teddy bear, guys. Look at him. I don't know, I've always had a bit of a soft spot for bears. Look, the English Bear Teddy Bear Company,
Theodore.
1992, Theodore. Where's his mates? So look, he's just gonna, there's little Tony. Oh, I'll get his wallpaper off him. This is little space bear, he looks like a, is he a space? Oh, he's Millennium Bear.
Oh.
So that Millennium Bear's already 18 years old. Oh, look, Peter Rabbit. There you go. There's another bear. There you go. It's better than buried. There you go. This is Teddy Bear's Picnic. It's a little kiddie's ironing board. So we're just in another bathroom, guys. Can't have a bath, there's no water. So what I will stress is people have been in here and absolutely ransacked this place. It's been stuff that's been chucked everywhere. How's that? They hurt me. They hurt me.
They hurt me, okay.
So guys, I've just seen something that I need to share with you, so I'm going to move something. This, the hell? Who keeps their cat, guys, in a drawer? Oh, look. There's a cat.
One of them Siamese ones.
There's a cat been left in a drawer. Or maybe, was it?
How the hell is that? Do you think it died and then
Do you think it died and they just buried, like when they locked the house up, the cat was left?
Just because, look, it's the way it's on a towel.
And the maggots have dried up.
Oh!
I'm sorry guys, looks like another sitting room, guys. Guys and girls, should I say, sorry? Ah, little Jinx. Just gonna focus. Look at him.
Look at that little footy cat.
You see it?
Yeah.
Guys, this place is mental. So look, the grandfather clock should be in its casing. So this looks like maybe like the office bit. So maybe he would have sat here like this, working out his finance from his business, reading his A&M, whatever that is. What is this?
Another little Bible, isn't it?
That's a little Bible. What's this? War Memories of David Lloyd. The War Memories of David Lloyd. So cool. Look at the books and the decay on them, guys. This place is mental. So we've come into another room. This is like a jumble cell in your house. Stuff everywhere. Like the antique brass lamps. The TV with something that I don't agree with, like it's such a weird idea, but this would kind of be like your TV remote. So you've got to kind of come over anyway and push it, so it's not really a remote. Let's put little Ginger Tom on top of there. Another record player, guys. And girls, should I say, sorry again. Another record player. A TV. It's like an old sort of style fashion game or such. Another mountain bike.
Yes, you put the ball on.
A TV, guys. It's weird that everything's got like a raffle number on it. Like maybe they were going to do a raffle. Who's this? Who is this? Who is that? Is that the Queen? I don't know. I'm not going to say it is. So guys, look at this. This is some military trousers. Military stuff. They normally have a label inside. Maybe this one hasn't, but they normally have a label inside saying like military dress or something, or some kind. But it's definitely old military look. Look at the oars, the boat oars. What's this? Dirty stop out.
There's another one there as well.
That's me tonight. I'm a dirty stop out in a dirty old mansion. No, this is a lovely little place. Stuff is just everywhere, guys. Another grandfather clock. This is mental. It's a random place to have a microwave in upstairs like bedroom. Isn't it?
And fridge. Freezer.
Made in England. I actually love stuff like that just to see. Made in England. So we're just heading through the other upper room. Look at this. The old basketball team. Is that a basketball? It definitely looks like they've got a basketball in their hand. Maybe one of them are the husband that obviously lived here. Or it could be a football team, but it looks like a basketball, but it probably is a football team.
That'd be bad.
What's this? Oh.
I'm more looking at what the button.
Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, mate. It's an old painting. What's it say? Another TV, guys. Honestly, this place is mental. The amount of stuff that's left. Why did she just up and leave? Oh, this is all her memories. You know them, they're like the old dress things, isn't they? You know, where you get changed behind them.
Yeah.
Some photos there, guys.
She either tried packing up or she just never unpacked.
It's just a knockoff of Calvin Klein. Kelvin Hill glasses. Look at this beauty. Whitfield, Birmingham. British made again. So guys, just before we're going out, we noticed some parts of the house we didn't film. Just to give you another insight of how many rooms to this place. Look at it. The decay in here is absolutely mental. The floor is terrible. I mean, guys, that would have been a room out there. Look, there's a bloody seat chair. Just quickly do this third. Just bits of the house we missed. I told you this place is massive. This looks like the same sort of picture upstairs, same guys. Another basement, guys. Oh man, this place is just so big. Guys, there's a well. I don't do wells in a house. Oh god. Oh, it makes you feel the ring. I'm getting out of here. Oh, no, I don't like it. Getting out. Oh, this place. Mental. So we found another set of stairs. Oh, mate. Oh, this place is mental. It's proper eerie as well. This part of the walls just fell out, guys. Oh, look at this. Oh, look. It's his uniform and his belt. Maybe this is in. Old shoes, guys. Wow, look, half the wall's falling out. Jeez, I'm not going like that. It's another bedroom. This place is so big, honestly. When you think you're done, you're not. It's another bedroom. There's stuff everywhere. This is a proper hoarder's house. Guys at the flooring. Just memories, just all sitting there, falling. So guys, that would have been a door. Oh, that is a door, sorry. I meant what? That would have been a room, sorry. And you can see there, try and zoom in, is a floor standing lamp. So part of the house already has been buried under this. That's absolutely crazy. Oh, look at the flooring. This is another room. I'm not going to walk in this one, but give you a little look over there. So guys, see at Marbella, convertible. Push the boat out, guys. Look at that. The days when cars didn't come with speakers hardly. Look at it. So cool. Absolutely cool. Actually, the garage is actually in better condition than the house. There's an old bonnet. Guys, this car is buried. Look at the state of it. Oh, she's been squished. Old Peugeot. Just stuff outside as well. Old Riley. Let's look at this, guys. Old 77, I believe. 78 on an old R. Oh, you can smell the stale petrol in this place. So this is a Nissan. Nissan. Is that Atsum or 1204? Atsum, something like that, I don't know. Correct me if you know what this colour's called properly. Oh, look at the decay and the mould in there, you can't really see it. So we was going to go, but we just see another doorway. Jesus, look at this kitchen, flooring, the old Arga. So there is your kitchen sink. Maybe I shouldn't have come in this big, it's absolutely rotten. Right, sorry. I'm just doing it here and coming out. Look at it all, it's been smashed. Oh, look at that hallway. Oh, it's mental, look at that hole. Little chandelier lights. So someone's chewed that up. It's another living room, guys. As I said, this place is massive. God, jeez. So there's your hole, guys. Just the decay in this place is absolutely mental. Oh. Treat yourself. This place is mental. Oh, just the grime and stuff everywhere, guys. Look at that bath.
Up explorers, so we're at the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Sorry for the sudden ending. It was the only footage I'd left of this place, so I couldn't really end it properly. I didn't do a proper intro, so I'm doing it now. As I said to you, thank you all so much for your support. If you didn't like the video, I apologise. Maybe check out some of the newer stuff. Normally on a Friday or a Tuesday I'm going to post the newer stuff, but yeah, I just want to say thank you again for all your support, and anyone who's suffered with this COVID-19 or lost someone in their family, all my love and to you guys. And obviously, yeah, all we can do at the moment is do as we're told, stay in, and just pray to God every day that another day will pass and we wake up fresh, and hopefully we'll all be out soon, and I can get out and explore and bring you some better videos. Also guys, if you do wish to support the channel anyway, links are in the description. There's PayPal and also Patreon. I can't offer the tiers on Patreon just yet, but I'll update that on Patreon when I can. As I said, check out one of these, the newer videos, boom 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 boom, wherever they are. There's a lot newer ones, as I said. Love you all, stay safe.